Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Definitely a big movement on this one today from the technical perspective. And while the overall markets did get drilled today, so not necessarily offering up any defense, that exactly didn't help what was going on with this one already. But definitely a lot of updates from the technical point of view need to be updated here. So let's just hop right into it. The first key technical event that occurred, today, and this is not like some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has noticed these same things. And I bring that up because when a lot of people are noticing the same things and then wondering and watching the same areas, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That is what these levels are going to lead to, and they can create some pretty dynamic price movements. But from a resistance side of things, meaning if the price all of a sudden starts to turn itself back upwards, the first key level of resistance is going to be at that pink line right there, $9.93. And the next level of resistance would be right up there at that purple line, which sit at $10.17. And these both just come from the basic rule in charting, which state when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's the big technical event that happened today, was kind of a double whammy. Not only did the 50-day simple moving average was that broken, but also in the same exact day, the 200-day was broken and closed well below. So again, those both were levels of support going into the day, but because they've been broken and just the way, the rules and charts work, those levels you would expect to act as resistance if the price can, try to make any sort of bounce back to the upside. But in my opinion, top priority right now has nothing really to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's more so all about just trying to stabilize out and where are some of these levels of support at that could produce some sort of stabilization point. So near-term level, that price isn't quite there yet, but looks like it could very well get down there, is there at $9.50. While it's not, an exact level, there is quite a bit of price congestion with it, where you can see right there, acted as support. And then, like I said, some general areas of acting as support. So 950, but I think in my mind, the more simplistic way is just to create a support zone. So the top of that zone is at $9.50, and then the bottom of the zone is down there at $9.20. So basically this area on the chart here, very, very important, because if it's not, if it doesn't hold up, then while there's no such thing as a guarantee, at that point it would not be shocking at all to see the price then move its way down there and test that level of support, which sits down around $8.50, give or take. Again, just because this support zone is broken does not mean it's for sure going down there. But technically speaking, there really aren't any other data points that suggest anything could stop it. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, right now, top priority, definitely all about trying to stabilize out, and we'll see if this support zone can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.